Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Yumi Academy. The demand for a skilled and well-qualified workforce has increased exponentially with the rapid digitization and information technology development. Almost every company, regardless of type and size, is looking for candidates who have managerial, leadership, organizational, and team management skills. For professionals and recent graduates pursuing the financed online MBA in India can be useful as these programs will provide the necessary information and abilities and increase placement opportunities at reputable businesses. There are several top B schools in India that provide online MBA programs if you want to work in the corporate sector and are looking for the best ones. Today, obtaining an online MBA from one of the best MBA programs in India has never been simpler because to the variety of options available, including full-time, part-time, distance learning, long-term, short-term and online MBA programs, depending on the student's needs and preferences. In this video, we will let you explore top business schools for online MBA program. Let's get started with the top business schools for online MBA programs in India. Before going into detail about the top business schools, let's quickly review the features of the online MBA programs. Here is the list of top business schools for online MBA programs in India. Let's start with Lovely Professional University, Punjab. LPU Online Education is one of the best universities in India offering online MBA program. The total fee for the online MBA at LPU is approx 26,550 rupees per semester. Next one is Manipal University. Manipal University Online Education is a private university established in the year 2011 and accredited by NAC Grade A+ and also approved by AICTE UGC. The total fee for online MBA at Manipal University approx 1,50,000 rupees. Next one is Amity University. Get to know some important aspects of Amity University Online Noida. The university is known to offer some of the best courses and programs in its online education program. It is known to deliver quality education for candidates since its establishment. Candidates can enroll for various UG and PG courses with management and finance specializations. The total fee for online MBA at Amity University approx 2.55 lakhs. Next on the list of the top business school for online MBA program in India is NIMS. The NIMS is a well-established university that offers 2-year full-time management and administration courses. The university is based in Mumbai. University is known to offer the best set of management and administration specializations that are highly accepted worldwide. The total fee for online MBA at NIMS approx 1,44,000 rupees. Next one is Uttaranchal University. As the first institution in the state of Uttarakhand to achieve a NAC A+ grade during the initial accreditation cycle, Uttaranchal University has made history. The university is steadfast in its commitment to providing the greatest experience possible to all of its students, whether they are from the region, the country, or outside, by investing in excellent teaching, research, and innovation. The total fee for the online MBA at Uttaranchal University approx first year fee 2.01 lakhs. Last one is Manav Rachna University. Manav Rachna University has evolved drastically over the years. The university is providing various UG and PG programs in various fields of education including management, economics, computer application and other specializations. The university has a full-fledged campus that is equipped with various amenities and benefits. The total fee for online MBA at Manav Rachna University approx 1,80,000 rupees. We hope this list of the top business schools for online MBA programs have provided you with adequate information and helped you with choosing the best online MBA course based on your interest and background. For more information about online degree, make sure to like our content and share subscribe for more such educational contents. Thank you for watching.